Aristotle fallacy. Aristotle thought that an external force is required to keep a body in motion. This was totally wrong. At that time, they were unaware about frictional force, which causes or which stops the motion of the body. So that he thinks that an external force is required to keep a body in motion. While we consider a rolling ball through the floor, after some time it is stopped. Why? Because the ball experiences frictional force by the floor. Floor opposes the motion of the ball and ball stops. Due to unawareness of frictional force, Aristotle thought that an external force is required to keep a body in motion. Let us consider a toy car. If we provide external force, it moves. After some time, it stops. It is stopped due to frictional force. When frictional force becomes greater than external force, the body stops. If we consider the toy car, we are providing an external force to the toy car, and toy car is moving with the uniform toy car is having uniform motion. Then here we can cancel out external force and frictional force. Both are equal and in opposite. Hence they both cancel out. If there were no friction, the body in motion continues its motion. The rolling ball may continue its motion if there is no friction provided by flow to the ball. In nature, there are certain forces such as negative forces such as frictional force, viscous force, etc. These tries to retard or stop the motion of the moving bodies. To get at the true law of nature for forces and motion, one has to imagine a world in which uniform motion is possible with no frictional forces opposing. This is what Galileo did. Galileo thought, which gave foundation to Newtonian mechanics and also for the birth of modern science.